In 2020, the African Committee of Experts on the Rights and Welfare of the Child, Secretariat, moved house from Addis and established its base in Maseru, a move that aims to build closer ties with its communities. The signing of the Memorandum of Agreement with the National University of Lesotho brings mutual benefits to both students and the committee.
We are expecting these two students not only to benefit, yes, they will, career-wise, professionally speaking, but also for them to contribute in this process. For us to learn, because there are hard cases that we always struggle to answer. And you are in the academia, you always have that passion for knowledge and wisdom. And that's why you're there in the academia. You research on a daily basis. So we'd like to get some guidance from your side.
The university says this collaboration will bring a new dimension for students to provide realistic solutions to modern-day African challenges.
It also means our exposure to the sub-region as well as the global affairs. That our students for the first time will be exposed to the African Union. Our students through internships will be exposed to the African Union legal systems, African Union mechanisms of dealing with human rights, dealing with children's rights. This goes further than merely just exposing our students. That also it creates a potential for our students to get employment from outside of the country.
But it is in these troubled times where children are on the receiving end of conflicts, Lesotho can learn and contribute some practical solutions coming from a neutral perspective.
It is an opportunity for our students to venture into activities, assignments through competitions that deal with such an issue where our own children are not directly affected by war. But because they are children, it is also interesting for them to learn how other nations are affected and how the international community is dealing with such children.
It means that we can literally change the shape that Africa and the world is taking now. Because if we train them from now, I love what was said, that we shouldn't just look at them as the future, but also the present. How are we shaping the future through the present people who are the youth? So we can literally train them, build them up, and therefore shape the future through investing into the children now.
With this collaboration, the university will get an opportunity to tailor a more child-focused legal frameworks to align with the African Union Committee on Children's Rights. Rapelang Khatebe, SABC News, Maseru, Lesotho.